Real deal videos here. Any international driver or who owns these trucks knows that the only switch you ever change is the stupid windshield wiper and wash switch. This is my third one in 4 years owning the truck. Does that not seem silly? All the other switches are always good. You know, every couple of years you burn a bulb underneath or in behind, I should say. But this fucking wiper switch, it's such a bitch. Anyway, it is what it is. But when they're $300 to $400 a switch, because they know that's the one that goes all the time, so hey, why not make that one the most expensive? Hey, isn't that lovely? I happen to have a washer in with mine because I had to. It was pushing through the dash. Last time I tried to put off changing one of these switches, you'll end up pushing this piece right through the dash. So don't put off changing the switch. It's so stupid, but it's $400 you gotta spend. I hate to say it, but it's so true.